Hey guys, welcome back to Brimley Games. I am so excited. Dolphin Hat Games just sent me some of their games. And so I have personally owned Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza, which one of my friends gave me. But they sent me some other games, including this one in this box, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys. I just want to see what's inside. Okay, moment of truth has arrived. Look at that. 5 packages of Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza and 5 packages of Over Under Ostrich. Guys, you know what this means? Giveaways galore for you guys. I can't wait for you guys to try these games. We had played this game a little bit as a family, and I've played it with some of my friends, and it's a little bit crazy. Things get crazy as you're playing it, and I can show you some of the cards on the inside. But then there's this Over Under Ostrich, which one of these is mine, and I am so excited for this. I'm gonna unbox this for you guys right now, if I can ever get it open. By the way, special thanks to Jenilyn from Brimley Land for filming this video. That's how she's getting zooming in and stuff. Her special skills.
Hello, Brimley gamers.
Okay, cool. So, Over Under Ostrich. Do you really know why ostriches stick their heads in the sand? Barbers. They hear those clippers and dive to hide their crazy cool hairdos from becoming wigs. Help 6 ostriches, one of each unique hairstyle and color, get their heads up and escape in this fast, frantic, feathered frenzy of card popping, snatching, and collecting. Pop, snatch, win. Whew, that is a mouthful. Congratulations to whoever wrote that poem there at Dolphin Hat Games. Cool, so you got the ostrich cards on the one side, and then there's all of these different hairdos. Whew. And then the clippers. So basically from what I understand, I watched the video on how to play, is you basically have to make an ostrich arm, and then you have to I have no idea how to do this, but you pop it up and catch it to collect all 6 ostriches, and they're all mixed up down. And then if you catch one of these, you can shave somebody's ostrich. And so it sounds like a really crazy family game, just like the Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza. And then for those, this is my pack. I'm gonna just show you what's inside this one so we can keep all of these sealed to give away for you guys. Struggle is real. There we go. Okay, so Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza. So in this, there are, obviously, Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza. And then there are 3 types of special cards. You've got the narwhal, the gorilla, and the groundhog. And this game is also super, super fast. Basically, everyone's gonna go around and you're gonna play a card, and you're gonna shout the words on the top. So I put one down, I say taco. Let's imagine it wasn't a gorilla, because that is a little bit of a confusing rule. 1 second. So I say taco, it doesn't match. Next person says cat, goat, cheese, pizza. None of them have matched. Once they match, you'll slap taco, cat, cat. Everybody slaps. Last one to slap has to pick up the cards. You're trying to get rid of your cards the fastest. And then these ones are a little bit crazy. If you get a groundhog, you knock on the table and slap it. Gorilla, pound your chest and slap it. And the narwhal, above your head and slap it. And then whoever gets rid of all their cards first and then correctly slaps one will be the winner. But just wanted to say again, thanks to Dolphin Hat Games for sending us these amazing games. Can't wait to make more videos about these, and especially to give you guys some copies of these for some giveaways in the future. But thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.